Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and a perfect website can be made with a perfect WordPress theme. In this video, we are going to create a website for pharmacy store or medicine store. And if you want to create a website like this video is exactly for you. This is a demo website, and this is another one, and these all three websites has been made using Diza Pharmacy Store Elementor eCommerce theme. So in this video we are going to use Diza Pharmacy Store Elementor eCommerce theme for our website, and we will create a complete demo website like any of these. And you should watch this video until end, because if you are going to decide this theme, you must know what features this theme is having and what plugins are being used and how you can install and use the theme exactly for your website and what are the future possibilities. Just spend a couple of minutes with this video and you will be able to know each and everything about your pharmacy store website and the Diza WordPress theme. Diza Pharmacy Store WordPress theme is a great theme, great choice for pharmacy stores, of course, and it has been specifically made for this purpose, and it has been developed by the Theme Bay. Theme Bay are elite author, and this theme came into existence just 1.5 years back, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So this theme is eCommerce ready. The latest version, eCommerce version, is compatible with this theme, and this theme uses Elementor, the most latest and mostly widely used the page builder, and it also compatible with Elementor Pro and WPML, Bootstrap, Forex and all such things. So you have all the technical facilities and features that you need for your website, and as I shown you, these are the perfect demo website for medical stores, and these websites are having all the features that you need for online pharmacy store website. So let us move towards installing the theme to understand the complete features of this website along with the installation process. I have a fresh installation of WordPress, and I am assuming that you have already taken your domain and hosting plan. If not, please follow the link given in the description of this video. You can avail the theme, hosting and domain name, all that you need for your website, and you can even avail the pre-installed theme on your hosting. So everything is there. Just follow the link in the description, and this is my installation in which I am going to install the Diza WordPress theme. And I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have this documentation folder, licensing, one plugin, revolution slider has been provided in the theme pack. Sample data is here just in case if we need to import the theme content manually, and this is theme file, the main theme file, and the child theme file is here. So let us begin the installation without any further delay. To install the theme, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress installation and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the diza.zip file, which is laying under the themes folder, theme folder and of the theme pack. This is diza.zip that we need to select. Don't try to upload the complete folder here. It is being a common mistake by many people. And if you are having direct access on your WP content themes folder somehow using the cPanel file manager or the FTP, you can directly upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size in fact, and the theme file size is very less. It is well optimized and it is just 4.40 MB in size, and this is an indication of well optimized, well coded theme pack, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this Diza folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can simply delete the zip one, it is not required, we have already extracted. And both the method of uploading theme are same. Either you can use this WordPress interface or you can upload this file directly to WP content themes folder. And now we are fine to come back in the theme section of WordPress, and we have now this Diza as another theme option along with the default theme. And let us check the details. This is Diza version 1.1.12 and it is pharmacy store Elementor eCommerce theme. Let us activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete features of this theme. Let us see what is here. And these are the plugins, and mostly plugins has been marked as required, as you can see. So these are the required plugins and only 2 plugins are recommended, but we need to install all the plugins as I assume. So this theme uses Elementor page builder, CMB2 is here, and Redux framework and Elementor page builder has a great combination of technology, and this theme uses both. So you can see here Revolution slider has been used for hero images. Similarly, the themes by Elementor is another Elementor add-on that has been developed by the original theme developer itself. eCommerce and associates are here, so these are some plugins for eCommerce and enhancing the features of eCommerce. Contact form 7 is here for creating contact forms, and MailChimp for email subscription and all. So we are going to install all these 11 plugins, and I'm choosing to install all the 11 plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugin one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And you may take the hosting plan by following the link given in the description to get the hosting plan. As you are watching on the screen, this works very fine, and you can see all the plugins got installed within seconds. And now we can come back to the plugin installer screen, and now it is time to activate all the installed plugins. That also can be done in a single click, and I'm activating all the installed plugins now. Okay, so all plugins installed and got activated within seconds, and simply click on the dashboard whether to check. eCommerce may need certain information since we have also install the eCommerce, and yes, it is redirecting to eCommerce setup page. We need to put certain information here, like basic information about our business. So this is a necessary step that can be done on due course or on later stage, but yes, that is not a problem. We can use these features for we can fill these forms exactly. I'm just putting the sample lines, and you can use the original one as applicable for you, and just fulfilling the requirements. And no thanks, this is not required. And here we need to select the category. It can be physical products, and continue. And we can select the number of products which we are going to, and uncheck this free options, so we don't need any free features. I'm at this stage. Just continue here, and here we need to select the continue with my active theme, that is Diza. Okay, great. So eCommerce installation is also complete now, and now we are on dashboard again. Now the installation of plugins and all all set of plugins along with the theme is complete, and now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. And yes, this is a simple and clean look of website that is using Diza WordPress theme. And if you want to make your own design, that you want to keep your own wireframe and design structures, you can start building your website from here, and you shall be getting the complete features of the theme along with the plugins. But yes, you might be looking for pre-made website like any of these are great example of website, and these features are really awesome, and you will get all this in a pre-made website. So you can choose any of these 3 demos. It comes with the Diza WordPress theme comes with 3 demo pre-made website, and layout shop and all such elements is already available and pre-made for you, so you can avail this opportunity. And these 3 websites are really very good, so we shall target any of these website, and for this we need to import the demo content at this stage. So let us find where we can import the demo option. And okay, so I'm looking for the option, theme setup option is here. Let us check here. So nothing is hidden in my video, so this is why these videos are being made on this channel, so that you may understand the complete features of the theme, the possibility with the theme, so that in future you may not face any difficulty during your business run. And watching this video completely and understanding the features of theme is necessary, because this half hour can bring peace of mind for future in your website. Okay, so this is the setup wizard, and let us start this wizard. And this is asking for install child theme. We can install the child theme as well. And child theme is activated. Don't forget to reactivate the main theme once the demo import all things get done. So this is the screen where we can select the demo, and we have all 3 options like this demo or pharmacy or Diza care is here. This is medicine, and this is the default one. So we can select the default one. This is proactive suite. So okay, so I'm choosing the default one. You can select any available website as you need. Okay, so by default all content is selected because it is a new installation, and simply click on import, and the progress bar and the screen is showing what percentage is complete here. We need to wait here until the progress bar goes up to 100%, reaches 100%, and it is importing all the content, and it also depends on your server speed, internet speed, and the connection with the developer server. So all dependent factors are here. Don't refresh this page, don't try to hit the back button. Meanwhile, you can explore these pre-made websites. And just after 4 or 5 minutes I got this message, all done, have fun. And it is very pleasant message for me at least. And let us check our website now. After that I'll show you all the theme setting, all the features. And yes, this is the complete website, and it is great that the installation process was very smooth, and we got the complete website without any trouble. And now we can check the products as well. So this is being okay, so it is very wonderful, and the presentation of content is really great, and it is to the point and it has all the features that like wish list and add to cart and all such options, and social media connections, elements, shop. So there are pre-made pages. Let us see what we got in the demo content. In fact, and let us check the pages. So there are 36 published pages in the demo content, and if we talk about the media library, we got all the media files as well. We have got 147 media items, so all images are here. You can use these images as well. However, you are going to upload your own image for product, showcasing your product, but yes, images are here only. And let us see the posts. So 16 posts are also here. So now we can conclude that this theme is wonderful selection for pharmacy and medicine store, online store. And we have 3 options, pre-made website here. So now we can conclude that this theme can be selected for our upcoming website project, but it is not final, because I'm going to show you the theme features now, what settings are available and what we got in this installation. This is also very important so that you may understand the future aspects as well, and how easy actually it is in customizing and also things. So I will show you only those things that is additional to WordPress installation. And as of now, swatches are here. So it's header builder has been given, footer builder, mega menu builder. So I will show you just a look how it works. So header version 1, so you can control your header here. Similarly, footer builder is here, and you can add new footer or edit the existing footer as well, and mega menu is also here. So for these 3 sections of the website, header, footer and mega menu, you have to use these tabs, and rest things are as common as in WordPress. And finally, I'm going to show you the Diza option, that is the theme panel, you can say. And this is the theme panel. Okay, so we must activate the main theme, and that we have installed the theme in the child. And okay, so let us go to the appearance and activate the main theme first. And this is the main theme. We can activate it now because we have already completed our installation. And if just in case if you are making any change in code, you can use this child theme again. Now come back to the Diza options, and this is general options, and now it is fine. So these are the options in the theme panel, and preload website and proactive suite option is here, and basic settings are here. Similarly, header you can choose here, footer you can choose, mobile settings, and always display menu and all. So basic settings are only here. Mobile eCommerce style editor, so you can change the main theme color and the secondary theme color. So this is very important setting, just in case if you want to change the color, this is the setting. And body background you can change here. Blog settings, social share, and performance. Okay, so you can include the minified JS to enhance the performance. Custom CSS is here, just in case if you want to use. So these are the basic settings that is available, because this website is complete and it is made for a purpose and the category, specific category. So it is complete in all respects, and it does not require much more control in the backend. So it is very simple and easy to use, easy to install, and you can start your website or pharmacy store immediately. Just you need to upload your content and change the text and all such things, so you can start your online shop easily. And now I'll show you how to edit the content. And this theme uses Elementor, so you can simply open the page that you want to edit. And let us say if you want to edit the home page itself, so you can open the home page and click on edit with Elementor. And for header and footer, as I told you, you can use the header and footer section. So editing with Elementor is always easy, and it is not a technical thing, but I am considering those visitors who are novice and not very much aware about the Elementor things. So this is the revolution slider area, and this section can be edited in the revolution sliders. I'll show you how. Where is this is the revolution slider, and we can open the revolution slider, and this is being the slider, just in case if you want to edit, and click on edit, and here are the text. So text can be edited here. So just keep in mind you have to use same length text and content or images that has been used in the demo website, so that you may maintain the integrity and layout of website. So this was the revolution slider, and again we have to open the website and open the Elementors. So as I shown you, so for the hero image you have to edit through the revolution slider section, and for rest part of the page you can edit with the Elementor. And this is Elementor editor, and simply click on the area that you want to edit and you will be able to change the content. And it is very simple, and just be careful, don't disturb the layout and the style. So it is very simple, and it is basically this is category setting, and you can like item list, like globes can be changed here, and item list too. And simply click on the pencil icon if you want to change further. And these elements are coming from the eCommerce area, so you can use this as well. Product categories, and you can change the categories that you want to show here, and these are the categories that is being shown here. So it is simple. Just in case if you are having any question, and if you are having any trouble with this theme, or you want to understand certain things, don't hesitate in asking any question. Just follow the link given in the description to get the theme, or you can get in touch directly with me. And you can also use the comment section of this video to ask any question. I will try my level best to answer your queries. And this is the complete website that we made in this video. I believe this video remained helpful for you in understanding the complete features and the installation process of Diza WordPress theme, and making a demo website for pharmacy or medicine store online. And you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful WordPress theme plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.